Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account or routing number has been disabled on Cash App. So guys, if your account or routing number has been disabled, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on your profile here, and after that guys, you have to make sure that if you have verified your identity, because guys, if you have not verified your identity or you have any restriction on your account, maybe that's why it's not working. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on sports section. Now from here guys, you have to tap on account and settings option. Now from here you have to scroll it down and you can find the security and privacy. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on Cash App Security, then tap on chat. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to chat with them and tell them that your account or routing number has been disabled and you want to get the routing number or account number. Okay guys, and after that hopefully they will assist you and hopefully you can see your account or routing number very easily. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.